guys, what's up? So today's video I got the idea for like 5 minutes ago. Let's just say I've been hearing a lot about, okay, I don't want to mispronounce her name. I've heard it called Marie Kondo, Marie Kondo, Marie Kondo. I've heard a lot about her and about her organizing secrets. My mom actually read her book like years, like probably 10 years ago, whenever it first came out. I remember my mom having this book. But recently, you know, she has a new Netflix show, which I'm gonna admit I haven't seen, and I just haven't had the time to sit down and watch. I read a bunch of blog posts, I watched some recapping videos to try to jot down the main points from her Netflix show, and I looked around our dorm and it is just a bit crazy. It's almost mid-semester, second semester. I looked around my room at the craziness. Basically goes against all of Marie Kondo's ideas. I'm just gonna take you guys along as I apply these things. Purge my closet, purge drawers. Let's put the hair back. And I'm going home this weekend, like in 2 days. So I wanted to, basically I have one bin I can fill with things that gotta go unless I throw them away, obviously. And so I was like, okay, now it's time to do it. And then I can just take it home and not clutter the space here, or honestly I should probably get rid of this stuff if I'm not using it here in my daily life. Okay, we'll figure that out later. But right now, let's get started cleaning. Okay, we're gonna get started with the closet. Oh shoot, I didn't know there was things in here. Okay, we're good. Great start. It is finally getting a little bit warmer here in Nashville, so the first thing I'm going to do is just to go through my closet and get rid of all the clothes that I haven't, that are like winter clothes that I still haven't worn, or that are like holiday clothes, and just really keep the stuff I want to wear in March and April at school. But first, who else is obsessed with Ariana's new album? Like, I'm not just saying that to be trendy, like I've actually listened to it probably like 8 times through. Okay. So next I'm gonna organize these 3 drawers here. This is like my health food drawer. This is our medicine drawer. And then this is Tupperware, which we literally never use. We use like 1 bowl. So really I just need 1. I thought I was gonna need all of this Tupperware, but I really don't. So I'm gonna take it back home where I may use it. And these are for my letterboard.
In the backseat, wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
So this is definitely a junk drawer I've had since the beginning of school, and it's like a huge junk drawer. So I feel like it's just so much wasted space. Like I could fit so much stuff in here that I actually use rather than a bunch of stuff I don't. So we're gonna clean this out.
You could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh,
So 2 rules I learned is not to pile things, which definitely, like, we got some vertical and some piling going on over here. But another rule was also to not keep papers, which I obviously have a lot of. So I do need these papers, so I can't throw them away, but I'm gonna put them in a folder to try to help with all of this mess and my desk. So that's where we're working on next is the desk. So a lot of times we just leave our silverware and stuff that's drying out, but I want to try to change that and like making sure everything has a place. And a lot of these drawers could be like drawers very deep, but we're not really using it to its potential because we're just keeping the bottom. So I'm going to try to find some things to organize these drawers and all of this. So first let's put this away. I thought that was gonna take way longer, but it really only took me an hour to go through my closet, my desk, and our little kitchen area. It is a small room, so it's not much space, so maybe that's why it took me so long. But already, like, I feel like my desk especially, but don't mind my bed, it has to be made. But my desk, just this, the top, feels so much cleaner since I put away and like made a home for all the food that's usually just like sitting out here that doesn't fit. I made it fit into there, or the extra space I got since throwing out a bunch of things. And so it just feels already really good to just walk in and not see too much clutter. So here's a little challenge for you guys. Just put on the new Ariana album, clean the whole time, and see what you can get done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see move-in vlogs to our new house, if you want to see organizing my new space that I'm so excited to go to. Just let me know. But yeah, that is gonna be it. I hope this video was inspiring to get you to organize, to tidy up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out. We ended this on the vlog because I was too tired to set up this camera again.